Some dogs chase sticks. These dogs look like they own the mansion. 10. Doberman Pinscher. Sleek body and confident walk. This dog looks like a VIP bodyguard. Number 9. Weimaraner. Silver coat and piercing eyes, pure elegance in dog form. Number 8. Standard Poodle. Super stylish and intelligent, basically the fashion icon of dogs. Number 7. Afghan Hound. Long flowing hair and runway vibes, total supermodel energy. The 6. Saluki. Slim, graceful and royal looking. This breed has ancient noble style. Number 5. Irish Setter. Shiny red coat and smooth moves, a real head turner. Number 4. Great Dane. Huge, gentle and majestic, the tall gentleman of the dog world. Number 3. Chow Chow. Lion-like mane and proud posture, this dog looks royal. Number 2. Siberian Husky. Striking eyes and wolf-like beauty, always camera ready. Number 1. Samoyed. Fluffy white coat and that famous smile, a classy cloud on 4 legs. Which classy dog is your favorite, America? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow dog lovers across the United States. Top 10 classy dog breed animals. Dog Gnaw USA, American Canada, Asia. The Pawfect Life Blogs. Paw Dogs, United States.